All right, on Project Jeep Commander Overlander, I'm going to fix broken switch panel. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my Jeep Commander. That's also my title. Commander. Never give up, never surrender. But this little panel here has obviously seen better days. And what's really the problem here is that the switches have somehow come apart from the housing and have fallen down. I originally just tried to pull it up, see if it was something that was, just out of whack. I can kind of pull it up, but it always goes back down just like that. So I thought, well, I could pull it out, take it apart, see if there's something I can super glue, plastic weld back in place. But then I was looking on eBay, and this whole switch panel here is only like $25. So I thought, really, that's the easiest way to go. So I actually got it, and I was looking at the little tabs, and it looks like up here is kind of where it's loosest. And I think, oh my gosh, I was going to get a plastic tool, but it looks like I can just lift it out just like that. And then down here, there's a plastic box where the tabs are kind of the most fixed in place, but looks like I can almost do it with my hands. So let's just get this out and see if this is going to be just a quick few-minute fix, or if I'm just dumb and turning a small fix into something really hard. All right, so on the back of the panel, we really just have 3 clips. This one, this little one, and then this big plastic one up in the front. So you can just pull those out, swap in the new panel, and then we will push it in. Okay, this replacement is the exact same thing as far as I can tell, but you can see these switches are now flush and they're not going anywhere. There are some tabs on the back here and they aren't very flexible. So I think the back goes in first. So I'm going to push that down and just work it all the way to the front here. Push that down and, oh, there we go. That sounded a little more satisfying. All right. You can see this switch panel is now flush and see if things work. Ooh, the mirror's moving. So that is a good sign that is a nice, simple, easy fix for $30. And in fact, if yours is broken or if the little plastic is moved or something like that, I might suggest just pulling it up, seeing if you can fix it from underneath before ordering the replacement. But man, that was about as simple as it got. I kind of miss the days when car repairs were easy to do at home. But if you have a Grand Cherokee or Commander of this vintage, pretty simple fix to fix the window switches. Peter Von Panda, out.